ulnar nerve, root value C7 to C8 and T1. Course and relation. Ulnar nerve arises from medial cord of brachial plexus in the lower part of axilla. In axilla, it lies between axillary vein and axillary artery. In upper part of arm, it lies medial to brachial artery. At the level of the insertion of coracobrachialis, it pierces the medial intermuscular septum. Then it lies downwards and it lies behind the medial epicondyle of humerus. It enters forearm by passing between the two heads of flexor carpi ulnaris, that is cubital tunnel. Then in forearm, it lies on the medial part of flexor digitorum profundus. At wrist, it lies superficial to flexor retinaculum. At flexor retinaculum, medial to it is pisiform bone and lateral to it are ulnar vessels. At the distal border of flexor retinaculum, it divides into superficial terminal branch and deep terminal branch. Superficial terminal branch supplies medial 1½ fingers. Deep terminal branch supplies most of the intrinsic muscles of hand. Branches of ulnar nerve. In upper part of forearm, it gives two muscular branches, that is one to flexor carpi ulnaris and one which supplies the medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. At mid of forearm, it gives two branches, one dorsal cutaneous branch which goes backwards and supplies medial half of dorsum of hand, and palmar cutaneous branch which supplies 1/3 surface of palm. At the distal border of flexor retinaculum, it divides into superficial terminal branch and deep terminal branch. Superficial terminal branch supplies medial 1½ fingers including their nail beds on dorsal aspect. Deep muscular terminal branch starts by supplying the three muscles of hypothenar eminence. As it crosses along the concavity of deep palmar arch, it supplies 3rd and 4th lumbrical, the 4 palmar interossei and 4 dorsal interossei, and it terminates by supplying adductor pollicis. Clinical anatomy of ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve is called as musician's nerve because it controls all the fine movements of hand as it supplies most of the intrinsic muscles of hand. Second, ulnar claw hand. Third, cubital tunnel syndrome, where it is entrapped between the two heads of flexor carpi ulnaris. Fourth, flattening of the medial border of forearm, vasomotor, sensory and trophic changes. Then loss of hypothenar eminence, loss of adduction of thumb because of paralysis of adductor pollicis which is supplied by ulnar nerve.